So you might be trying to go ahead and actually find out a person's birthday through Facebook.
But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process.
I'm going to show you a few ways how you can do it. You should open the main menu. To do this, tap on 3 horizontal lines. If you see 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner, it means your device is on the Android system. If you see 3 horizontal lines at the bottom right corner, it means that your device is on the iOS system. All actions for Android and iOS devices are now identical. First way, tap on friends and tap on your friends and find any of your specific friends and just open his profile. So when you open his profile, scroll down a little bit and tap see name and about info, as you can see here. Then scroll down. If this person didn't hide his birthday, you can see under basic info his birthday. Next way, again go to main menu, tap on search icon at the top right corner, and then you should write upcoming birthday and tap on this first link here. As you can see upcoming birthdays. Here you will see only your friends' birthdays. Facebook show you when his birthday here. You just scroll down and see upcoming birthday, as you can see, and latest in August. For my specific example, you just scroll down and see all your friends' birthdays. And the last way, you just find any person on Facebook, just tap on search from your settings, enter name of person here. For example, I write random person, this one. Then you should scroll down a little bit, tap see name about info. And here, as you can see under basic info, we will see birthday date.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.